Hey, Peter Ciacelli here with Rocketbook, and I am psyched to be here today to talk to you all about the Rocketbook Flex Planner. With me, I have the letter size that's 8.5 inches by 11 inches in green, and then that smaller executive size, which is 6 inches by 8.8 inches in black. In addition to these two offerings, both sizes are also available in navy and teal. All Rocketbook Flex Planners are going to come complete with your towel and pen. And then I also have my little Rocketbook spray bottle here, which are available on GetRocketbook.com if you want to grab one of those. All right, getting into it. The first thing you're going to see when you crack open your Rocketbook Flex Planner are your daily dashboard pages. Each Flex Planner comes with 7 of these to allow you a full week's worth of planning before there's ever any need to erase. These pages come with sections for scheduling and goal tracking, and an awesome feature about these is that none of the sections are too structured, so you still have that freedom to kind of adapt these pages to your own personal needs. All right, so one more thing to call out, not just on your daily dashboard pages, but on all pages of the Rocketbook Flex Planner, are the smart features on these pages that interact with the Rocketbook app. So right atop your page, you have your smart title bar, and whatever you write in there can automatically be applied as the file name right in the Rocketbook app when you scan. In addition to that, we have the smart tags bar at the bottom, which automatically applies what's written in that space as a tag on your file for easy sorting and organization. The last feature to call out here are your destination symbols. So each one of these 7 destination symbols can be set up to correspond with a different cloud destination, folder, or recipient. In my example here, my Rocket is set to a Google Drive folder where I store my daily scans. After those 7 daily dashboard pages, you're gonna have 2 full week spread pages. Right here, you can see my current week that I'm working through. Again, these are pretty freeform, so you can use them how you see fit. The way I like to do it is I keep my appointments and meetings on that right-hand bar here. And then at the end of the day, I'll go through and add any additional items that I might need to add to my to-do lists. After those 2 weekly spreads, you reach our 12 full months of calendar pages. These are awesome because they give you the opportunity to either track things along as you go, or for the first time in a Rocketbook Planner, to plan out a full year's worth in advance by the month. A little key feature here is our new tracker key that we've added. This gives you 3 different icons that can be filled in by the day, either to identify upcoming events or to be used as a habit tracker to check off on a daily basis. As a little example of both, I'm using the circle to identify days I'm planning to go into the office, and I'm using my triangle and square to track a couple ongoing fitness goals I have going. The final template you'll reach in your Rocketbook Flex Planner is the yearly overview page. This is a pretty straightforward template that just allows you to view all 12 months of the year on a single spread. This is great for identifying key events, either past or future, and it's a reusable notebook. So a good feature here is that if you are planning for the future, you do have that option to erase and re-enter stuff if those plans change. After those templated pages, you'll reach our 7 lined and 4 dot grid pages for those freeform notes you want to take, giving you a grand total of 48 pages in the Rocketbook Flex Planner. That's 7 daily pages, 2 weekly spreads, 12 monthly spreads, 1 year overview spread, 7 line pages, and 4 dot grid pages, coming in 2 different sizes and 4 different colors. The Rocketbook Flex Planner, the best planner Rocketbook has ever put out. Check it out.